everybody, welcome back to Honda Films, the place you come to learn about photography and all things RC. I'm your host, Taylor Tommila. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take your little busy day to watch this video. I really hope it helps you. If it does, make sure you leave a comment below. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the 17mm hexes on the Traxxas 4x4 so that you can upgrade your tires to bigger tires that are suited for 17mm hexes. So let's get to it. Traxxas part number 6856X. These are the wheel hubs, and they're splined, and they're for 17mm. So we're going to put these on today. So let's get to the video. So these are your pins right here. Top of this comes off right here, secures those pins, and you can see inside of the hardware now. It gives us an Allen wrench screw here to tighten down these pieces right here that are in this foam right now. Okay, now that I have all my stuff out displayed out here in the front here, the first step you need to do is take off your wheels off your car. So let's get the wheels off the car real fast. Take off this piece right here, the nut holding on from the tire. Just like that. Alright, so next step, after we pull out that hub, I'm going to pull out that pin right there. We're going to replace it with a newer pin. Alright, so with the pin put in place, you're going to line up this right here with those indents in there again. Make sure when you're putting this in, the groove goes in the hole that direction. There's a fat part where my thumbs are, and then there's a skinny long piece there with the lip on the end of that. That lip goes inside here. Got it in there. And what this thing does actually is that there's a space when you put this in here. You install it on there. There's a huge space, about maybe a millimeter thick, and that's just enough to throw off the whole thing. So you have to put these ones on there, and then you have to tighten them in to make sure that they're not going nowhere. Alright. There. See? Now those put on there. Alright, that's it. All 4 tires are installed. We converted our slash 4-wheel drive from a 12mm hex to a 17mm hex. Here are the old tires here. Putting them on here. They're a lot smaller. The width of them is not as good. So these are the stock Traxxas tires. I don't like very much. Buggy tires are still good. I like too is since I put these hexes on during sand time, I can take these paddle tires here that are on my buggy here. I really appreciate you taking time to watch this video. I really hope it helped you out. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You can hit that notification bell so you're notified when the new videos come out. Also become a Patreon, and you can support me on Patreon as well for Honda Films. That would be great. So I hope this video helped you out. Have fun bashing and crashing.